In this video, we will do a quick rundown on how to find your perfect schedule by using Schedule Planner at SUNY Broome Community College. To access Schedule Planner, you will first log into your My College account. Next, select My Account banner, the Student tab, and Course Schedules and Registration link. On the Course Schedules and Registration page, select the Schedule Planner link. You will select the term you are registering for, and then the appropriate course format. For more information not covered in this video, use the Resource button to access additional help videos. To begin the registration process, you will select the Add Course button. Here, you can search for courses by subject, SUNY General Education attribute type, your degree works plan, course registration number, or by instructor. Once you have finished adding all of your courses, select the Generate Schedules button. Next, you will select the View link to begin searching through your potential schedule options. Utilize either the arrow buttons located on the screen or the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard. If you feel you have generated too many schedules to manage, refine your criteria by changing campuses, instruction modes, course sections, or by adding breaks. While you scroll through your different course options, please pay attention to any notes associated with the course. If you find more than one schedule you would be interested in, you can favorite it by using the heart icon. Once you settle on a schedule and wish to register, select the Send a Shopping Cart button, then the Register button. Read through the Financial Responsibility Agreement, confirm your registration, and enter your PIN if prompted. After you are registered, you can print your current schedule, register for additional courses, or edit and drop courses from your current schedule. Remember our vision: learning today, transforming tomorrow.